Tired of messy car rides or struggling with outdated gadgets? This video is for you. Today, I'll share 20 amazing car accessories that can make your driving experience better in 2025. I have listed the best products, covering convenience, safety, and style. You'll find links to get the best prices on all the items mentioned in this video in the description below. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss anything useful. Let's dive in and check them out. SoyCare Car Diffuser. Easy to operate with dual power buttons and a convenient cord wrap organizer, this travel essential offers hassle-free maintenance with a cotton pad-free reservoir. Its compact size fits perfectly in cup holders or on desks, ensuring portability. Ultrasonic vibration technology creates a soothing mist that prevents dryness and fills your space with a lasting aroma. With a sleek design and changing light feature, it's a blend of functionality and aesthetics for snug driving experiences. CHgeek Wireless Car Charger. Offering intelligent 15-watt Qi fast charging for various devices, this phone car mount ensures optimal power delivery. Its auto-clamping arms provide effortless operation, while built-in safety features like foreign object detection and LED alerts protect your phone. Compatible with cases up to 6mm, it allows flexible angle adjustment for a safer, more convenient drive. Reliable, versatile, and equipped with smart technology, this charger combines convenience and cutting-edge functionality. Homedics Portable Humidifier. Featuring high-frequency technology, this device delivers a fine mist to enhance comfort during travel or at home. The top-fill design with an 8.5 ounces tank provides up to 10 hours of runtime, while whisper-quiet operation ensures peaceful use. Adjustable mist settings and a built-in auto-off timer make it customizable. A color-changing accent light adds ambience, making this compact and convenient humidifier an ideal choice for maintaining air quality on the go. Listen Ultra Magnetic Car Phone Holder. Designed for MagSafe compatibility, this holder offers multi-angle adjustment and a stable grip for secure phone placement. The durable construction supports even larger devices, while the sleek design enhances car interiors. With a strong magnetic force and heat-resistant build, it ensures reliability and safety during use. Perfect for creating a comfortable and efficient driving experience, this phone mount is a must-have for modern motorists. RedTiger Dash Cam. Capture crystal-clear footage with dual 4K and 1080p recording and wide-angle lenses for comprehensive coverage. Advanced night vision ensures clarity in low light, while a user-friendly app allows for easy video management and sharing. Built-in GPS tracks your route, speed, and location for added evidence. Reliable features like loop recording, G-sensor activation, and parking monitor provide peace of mind, making it an invaluable tool for drivers seeking safety and convenience. Scotch Portable Air Purifier. Compact yet powerful, this HEPA air purifier eliminates 99.5% of fine particles and odors, ensuring fresh, clean air. Designed to fit in vehicle cup holders, it's portable for use in cars, offices, or small spaces. With automatic and manual dual-speed fan modes, it adapts to your needs seamlessly. Its quiet operation and efficient performance make it an essential device for maintaining air quality wherever you go. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. With a unique biaxial extension arm, this tablet mount allows adjustable viewing distances for optimal comfort. Easy to install without tools, its 360-degree rotation ensures versatile angles. Sturdy metal construction and anti-slip rubber pads enhance stability and protect devices during drives. Ideal for entertaining passengers, this holder is a practical solution for keeping tablets secure and accessible during journeys. Car Pass Leather Seat Covers. Sporty and stylish, these high-quality leather seat covers feature 3D foam back support for added comfort and luxury. Universally designed for a snug fit, they include airbag-compatible stitching for safety. Easy to install and durable, they enhance driving comfort and elevate car interiors with a modern look. Perfect for drivers seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Anope Car Charger. Compact and efficient, this thumb-sized charger fits seamlessly into car outlets, offering a dual USB port for simultaneous charging. With 4.8A or 24-watt output, it delivers faster charging than standard adapters. Made from durable zinc alloy, it resists scratches and overheating, ensuring long-lasting performance. Ideal for maintaining a clutter-free interior, this charger is a reliable accessory for powering devices on the go. PLZ Car Stereo. Enjoy seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for navigation, calls, and music. Featuring high-fidelity sound with built-in DSP and adjustable EQ, it delivers exceptional audio quality. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable hands-free communication, while a powerful smart chip enhances efficiency. With intuitive controls and robust heat dissipation, this stereo transforms your driving experience into a tech-savvy and enjoyable journey. Compuster CS7900 AS. Enjoy a 3,000 feet max range remote start and alarm system, complete with a two-way interactive LCD remote. Equipped with a CM600 control module, shock sensor, siren, and LED, this offers robust security. Intelligent sensors detect door, hood, trunk, and vehicle impact intrusions, alerting you instantly. Lock and start with confidence, thanks to visual and audible confirmations. Professional installation ensures optimal performance, and additional components may be required, sold separately. Tiger Fire Extinguisher. Efficiently handles A, B, C, and K-type fires with a superior 21B rating, preventing emergencies from escalating. Compact at 10.8 inches tall and 2.6 inches wide, it's perfect for homes, cars, and camping. Easy-to-use design ensures quick action during critical moments, while its eco-friendly, biodegradable formula offers safe and hassle-free cleanup. Store confidently between 32–140 Fahrenheit, ensuring safety is always close at hand. Newish Tool Car Dash Cover Mat. Ultra-absorbent and low-lint, this microfiber dash towel protects your car's dashboard during tinting or washing. Reusable and washable, it measures a generous 30 by 70 inches for ample coverage. Safeguard your dash leather and vehicle electronics from potential damage while ensuring a clean and professional workspace. Affordable and durable, it's a must-have tool for automotive care enthusiasts. Cartman Warning Triangle. Approved, these reflective triangles ensure maximum visibility in any weather with 17x17-inch reflective panels and fluorescent plates. Weighing 2.98 pounds each, their rotatable sand-filled bases provide stability against strong winds and passing cars. No tools required, their foldable design offers effortless setup and compact storage. Keep them in your vehicle for roadside emergencies and enhanced safety. Rappel Umbrella Windproof Travel Umbrellas. Engineered for durability, this travel umbrella features a sturdy fiberglass frame and double-vented canopy, ensuring resistance against strong winds. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for travelers and fits conveniently in a purse, backpack, or car. The auto-open or close function offers seamless operation, making it a reliable companion for all weather conditions. Hizianlo Car Seat Gap Filler. Prevent items like keys and phones from falling into car seat gaps with these durable PU leather fillers. Scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean, they snugly fit around seat belts for complete coverage. Installation takes seconds, ensuring a secure fit that stays in place during drives. Say goodbye to clutter and lost items for a more organized interior. Tan Drive Key Fob Cover. Made from silky smooth food-grade silicone, this protective key cover offers comfort and durability while safeguarding against scratches and wear. Designed specifically for GMC and Chevy models, it ensures a perfect fit for 5-button fobs. While it doesn't include the key or valet access, it enhances key longevity with an elegant touch. Econu Car Steering Wheel Desk. This portable car tray transforms your steering wheel into a workspace or dining area. One side features a cup holder and eating surface, while the other supports laptops and writing materials. Crafted from sturdy ABS material, it's ideal for travelers and remote workers. Quick to mount and ergonomic, it enhances convenience without hassle. Liv-T Blind Spot Mirror. Maximize safety with these 360-degree adjustable blind spot mirrors. Their frameless HD glass design offers a wide-angle view, reducing blind spots for smoother lane changes. Easy to install with a swivel mounting bracket, these waterproof and rust-resistant mirrors fit seamlessly on any car, van, SUV, or truck, enhancing your driving confidence. Vetabone Car Tissue Holder. Enhance convenience with this PU leather car tissue holder, designed to fit 120 to 150 tissue boxes. Its diamond patterned lid ensures easy tissue retrieval, eliminating tearing. Lightweight and stylish, it adds elegance to your car while resisting water and wear. Quick to install with elastic buckles and Velcro, it stays secure on dashboards, visors, or headrests, keeping tissues within easy reach on bumpy rides. That's a wrap on our list of 20 amazing car accessories you'll want to grab in 2025. Whether you're looking to upgrade your car's functionality, add a touch of style, or make your road trips more enjoyable, these gadgets have got you covered. Don't miss out on snagging these incredible finds. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay tuned for more of our latest content, tips, and reviews.